Tackling heavy recovery tasks has never been easier when you unleash the power of the wheel duck. Hook directly to the casualties wheel studs and lift or pull an additional 17,000 pounds worth of resistance per wheel duck. The wheel duck makes the hardest recovery tasks a little bit easier. Whether it's heavy-duty vehicle retrieval, complex recovery missions, or logistical challenges, this tool is your steadfast partner in success. It is simple to use and quick to install and fits both aluminum and steel rims. Just connect the wheel duck to the casualties studs. Elevate your efficiency and minimize downtime as you conquer every vehicle recovery task with ease. Transform the way you recover vehicles and maximize your efficiency. Your journey to unprecedented lifting and pulling power starts with the wheel duck. Buy now at www.stevenstruck.com. For dealer pricing, call 918-794-2300.